What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. So before we get into it here, I just want you guys to know I am no professional trader. I am no financial advisor. I'm not trying to teach anybody anything. I'm not trying to sell anybody anything. These videos are to be looked at as entertainment purposes only, but without further ado, let's get straight into it. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I was actually trading on a demo account for almost 3 months. So here is a screenshot on screen right now. So this is the last time I will be showing this account. I will no longer be trading on it after this week. This past week, I should say. I will no longer be having that account in my videos, just because I noticed you guys through my YouTube statistics only watch the parts with my live accounts, or actually something that is going to provide value to my life other than a demo account. I'm not saying the demo accounts don't provide value, it's just that you guys want to see real live results of shit that actually will affect my life in the real world other than demo stuff. But with that said, once again, here is the screenshot on screen of what the account looks like. As you guys can see, over the course of almost a 3-month period, I had made profit. I am over 100 trades on that account, and we are in a drawdown at the moment, but even through ending it on a drawdown, we still did make over 10%, a little over 10% in the course of 3 months. All right, so getting into the statistics here, I'm just gonna refresh the page again real quick. So I'm gonna refresh it there, and I'm also gonna refresh it here. I just want you guys to know, like, I am legit, I'm doing this shit for real. This is no fake, phony shit. Like, you know, this is a real live funded account. I'm gonna refresh it one more time here for you guys to see. I'm also gonna click an in link here. So I did click this link right there again. Here is the certificate that you get once you pass phase 2 and you actually get funded. I'm not gonna read through this, I've done it so many times, but here is the certificate for that. All right, so going through the statistics and getting to the good stuff here, you can see that the balance for today at the starting moment for today is pretty much 9,593, just a little bit over 4% in drawdown so far. As you can see through the equity curve, we actually have equaled out very well. So pretty much we have that initial drawdown on the initial starting of the account. Pretty much that's what happens with my strategy. That's what happens with any strategy, is you have an initial drawdown because you gotta expect those losers to hit first before those big winning trades get time to play out. It's just a psychological trap that the markets will play on you. Anyways, we were up about $200, and ever since then, we've pretty much been going down. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. I would have closed my profit there, but I was pretty much like 2 weeks into it, and I was like, oh, I can milk out more, because I thought that it was, I was going to be profitable every single month, when that's just simply not the case. Okay, so as you can see, we pretty much have been slowly going down on the account, but right now we're just kind of like breaking even on it. We broke even this past week. Like, I'm down literally 0.2%. Like, it's so incredibly nothingness. I don't even, not even half of a big winning trade, not even a 0.05 or a 0.5% risk, I would be pretty much in profit for the week. So it's like I didn't even lose that much. I'm pretty much break even. As you can see on screen right here, here's a screenshot of what the account is looking like through the MetaTrader app. The starting equity for today was 9,624. Tomorrow is Sunday, so it's currently Saturday night at 8:31 p.m. Tomorrow is Sunday. The markets will open up at 2 p.m. And we'll see what happens. But yeah, with that said, there's nothing really going on with my stats. I mean, I'm averaging a 38% win rate so far. We can say 39 to be generous, but I like to be generous to the losing side, so I'm going to round down. I need a 40% win rate to be able to break even. You guys can see right here, my balance is a little over 4% negative, so I'm closer to breaking even on the account than I am to getting the overall drawdown on the account, which is 12% for my Forex funds. You know, it's literally going to take me 3 big winning trades. Like, it's 3 big winning trades to go back into profit on the account. Like, I'm just so incredibly not even worried about it. Like, I just trust my strategy. I trust my stats, all that kind of good stuff. But with that said, guys, that's been pretty much the stats. I'm going to focus on just showing you guys my live accounts every single week. I do want to say this though, guys, for the ones that are messaging me, if you want to message me on Instagram privately, that is perfectly fine. But I have noticed a constant pattern with everybody that messages me on Instagram. It's a constant pattern with you guys. You guys over glorify trading and then diss jobs a lot. Like, you just say, oh, I want to get out of my job so much. That mindset that you have comes from greed and ego. Once you get over yourself, yes, I did say it, get over yourself, get in touch with reality, get in touch with how things actually are. Read a fucking finance book, read a couple finance books, work on your mindset, go to the gym, work out, get those endorphins pumping. Like, guys, like, you over glorify trading. You think that once you get the skill set, once you get that perfect strategy that you're going to be profitable every single month, and your equity curve is just going to go up and up and up. Like, even the best traders in the world don't have a constant equity curve. Go online, go to Google Images and search up what does a professional Forex equity curve look like, or just like a trading account equity curve of a professional trader. You will see they have drawdown periods like once a year. I'm going through my drawdown period, my biggest drawdown period I've had on this strategy, and it is staying true to the statistics. I usually am in drawdown for a month and a half to 3 months. I'm almost to a month and a half in drawdown. This is usually what my strategy will look like, and this is what it looked like on pencil and paper. So I do feel like winning weeks are coming. But yeah, guys, like for the people who message me and who are gonna message me through this video, just get over yourself, control your ego, don't over glorify trading, and get a fucking job. Focus on your job. Forget that trading exists. Just move on with your life. Like, stop over focusing on trading. Like, find out what else you want to do in your life, because when you just think all about trading, which is fine, I was in that place once before, guys. Like, I was there once. I over glorified trading. I didn't understand how it actually works. Like, I just had this insane ego with it, and you know, until I lost everything and really was put in a rut in my life, like I was fucking neck deep in credit card bills. My bank account was overdrawn. I didn't have a job. I couldn't pay my bills. I couldn't pay my phone bill, car bill, whatever the case. You know, like it was really hard. And you know, I got to a point to where I realized I was humbled, and you know, I was put in my place in the world. And once you start to realize you're not a special snowflake and you're put in your place, and you actually focus on like getting a good job and you just stick to that, trading will come naturally. Like, guys, it has come so naturally to me. Like, I'm not even stressed out about it anymore. I like don't even care anymore. And so from this point on, I think the next video, actually no, the next video is going to be just specifically this. But once I get my first payout from my Forex funds, I'm actually going to load some money into my own personal account again, and I'm going to start showing you guys those statistics for that, because I think I am ready to start trading my own personal money again. I'm not going to go into why I stopped trading my own personal money. Just, you know, pretty much what it was just me saving my ass, saving my own money, and stopping the bleeding. But yeah, guys, with that said, ending off here, once again, with the people that are going to message me through my Instagram, just take a look at yourself and what you're going to say before you send it to me, because chances are, if you send something to me asking me about trading, you ask stupid questions, you get stupid answers type of thing. And I am not the type of person that's going to tell you what you want to hear or what you want to hear. I'm not going to try to sell you something. Like, I'm actually out here because I want to help you guys, and the best way I can help you is by being brutally fucking honest with you. And if you take it as a personal attack, that's your problem, not mine. That just shows me that you have an insane ego, and you can't take constructive criticism, and you can't take advice from someone who is actually doing this fucking for real. Like, once again, guys, let me refresh the page here. You can see I have had 40 days on this account since my first trade. You can see that evaluation funded live account. We're going to refresh it again. You see that my status is active. I'm going to click the in-app link there. So like, I click this link there and it opens up my certificate. Here's that certificate again. You guys can see, like, this is fucking legit. Like, I'm actually doing this shit for real. And you know, all I want to do is help you guys, and being honest with you is the best way I can help you, because I'm going to tell you guys if you have an ego or not. And really focusing on not having an ego, being humble, and just being in touch with reality in terms of trading. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not an end all be all. You know, it's like, it's just another way to make an alternative income. You're not going to make an income every single month. That's just how it is. You're going to have drawdowns throughout the year. You're going to have, for me, with my statistics, I usually have one big drawdown, and that's about it. And then the rest of the year is fine. I'm keeping track of this to make sure that this drawdown, it happens every year. Like, from now on, I'm going to make sure that I can see if this drawdown only lasts during like the end of the year months, so November, December type of time. But yeah, guys, with that said, once again, just be careful what you message me on Instagram. If you have a genuine question, I'm going to answer it. I really try to answer all of you guys. I've been getting a lot of messages, but, you know, like, almost everybody that messages me, you guys all have egos. I'm not saying that I don't have an ego, but when it comes to trading, I don't, because I know how much that's going to affect my trading, and that's going to make me lose my funded account that I have, an amazing opportunity that I have, that I was able to work for. But just you know, just some real advice on the real, guys. Like, drop your ego, get in touch with reality, stop believing what these online gurus tell you. You're not going to be making 20% every month. You're not even going to be making 20% every 3 months, as you can see on screen right here. Now, I am not the best trader. I'm not a financial advisor, none of that shit, right? Over the course of 3 months, I was able to make 10%. I made 10% on the account in 3 months. Now, on a $100,000 account, that is $10,000. That's already half of a minimum wage income job over the course of 6 months, and I did that in 3 months. Now, with a one drawdown over the year, imagine what that's going to be like for the rest of the year. That's going to be a pretty good amount. My stats tell me I can make about 60% a year. So, you know, 60% a year is really, really good. That's actually what a lot of people don't even think. Like, an average for a big time hedge fund investor is about 20% a year. You also got to think that they're also trading fucking huge, massive quantities, so they can't get into the market like the retail traders can. They can only get in at specific price points. But yeah, guys, I'm kind of dragging that out. Once again, just to end it there, is like, just if I can do 3 things: drop your ego, get in touch with reality of trading, and get a fucking good job. Like, that's literally all it is. Just get a good job. And just kind of do trading on the side. It's going to take you years to get where you want to get. But with that said, guys, those have been the statistics. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure to leave a like down below. It has been really helping out the channel, boost me up in the algorithms, helps out the channel a lot. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see this real content. I do this every single week. I'm always uploading every single week, uploading my trading results, breaking down my trading results for you guys, and just being as transparent as I can and trying to provide a value instead of trying to shove a course down your throat and lying to you guys about my trading status. But also, make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next, or how I can make these videos better. But with that said, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, good rest of your week. Have a good trading week next week. I really do feel these next couple weeks are going to be better, hopefully. But with that said, you guys know the drill. I'll see you in the next video.